I'll run you through this. Hardest thing to do is get in, so you just gotta go for it, dude. Don't hesitate, just go. And you should really start your timer, because when you don't, it's super upsetting. And then you just breathe. After the cold tub, I'll come up here and fall out. Put these warm ass socks on. I'll read something in my Bible. Stretch out a little bit and then pray. And after that, we'll go to the gym.
Yeah. Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah. They getting nervous, I seen it. What I seen, you wouldn't believe it. They say they want it, I need it. Damn. I'm going dumb like I dropped out of class. Get in my lane and I'm going right past. I turn it up, watch me go to the max. You ain't it first and you know that you last. I thought I told him I'm coming right back. I got a flows like it came from the tap. And I came from my city, that's right on my back. Oof. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. That's how I shoot. Lately I'm driven like I'm on the road. They in my lane, dog, I told them to move. Now that I'm popping, got too much to lose. Look at the numbers, got nothing to prove. I'm in the city, just me and my crew. Told me I'm sick and I know that it's true, but I'm still gonna boss like I got a flu. Yeah, run it up, I told them that I'm coming back. So let me get all of that. Time is now, I'm coming around to get a check. Said I need my taxes back. Overtime, I'm getting mine, so get in line. And it's with no respect. That I told them all about the ball, getting chips. Feeling like Kobe Shaq. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah. Look.
Alright, this is my walk to the office. Just past 9. Honestly, a little bit behind, but vlogging, you guys that do YouTube, respect, because this is time consuming and you have to be very cognizant about filming everything, so on and so forth. So yeah, walking to the office. Just wrapped up the workout a little bit ago. Did lower body, legs, just about an hour. It's probably why a majority of you guys are here, is for the workout stuff. So I don't do cardio when I do legs, ever. Well, I shouldn't say ever, but for the most part. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Billings finest. Yeah, I don't usually do cardio when I do legs, so usually like an hour, hit it pretty hard. Been lifting a little bit heavier lately, lower reps and slower reps, just so I don't get injured. But yeah, that's what legs looks like. Hopefully you enjoyed that. And then today, I have a couple hours, I want to get the rest of the guys done in terms of programming their workouts for this upcoming week. So I got a couple hours to do that, get the client squared away, and then have a podcast at 1 with Greg Anderson. Little sales call after that. Someone looking to join the team, which is fantastic. And then, yeah, just admin stuff after that. So I'll take you along for it. Here's a day in the life, man. This is what I do every day, 10 to 12 hours a day. So it's not pretty, but here it is. Morning. So here's the studio. But first, we gotta fill this bitch up. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you what I turn it into here shortly. One of these days, I'm gonna break my neck. I feel like a good old swivel chair. Boom. Look at this. If you guys are listeners of the podcast, this is about as behind the scenes as it gets. So, boom. There. We'll wrap this thing around here a few times. Good little slack. Done. That's what it looks like, man, for the most part. YouTube is so annoying. Okay, that's lunch. Not a really accurate representation of what I tend to eat. Rice noodles. I think there's like mixed veg in here. Chicken. It looks like a cut up chicken sausage. Usually pretty low carb, and it's, hang on a sec. It's 2:45 p.m. First meal of the day. I'll usually eat 2 big meals like this. This is a lot of food. And then I won't eat again until like 6, 7, 8 o'clock for dinner. And I'll do like a little bit of snacking in between. Again, almost 3 o'clock. I usually don't wait this long to eat. I usually eat around noon, but just my wife brought this to me. We were in a rush this morning. So, yeah, that's what it's like. Podcast with Greg was fire, man. What a good guy. Nobody has it all figured out, but he's doing it the right way. He has a great perspective on life. I enjoy talking to people like that. So, I'm going to scarf this down. I have a sales call in like 12 minutes. So, yeah, here we go. Okay, we're in the lab. 5 o'clock, trying to get out of here in an hour. So those are a snack. 2 meat sticks from Costco and a small block of cheese. Obviously no carbs there. And I am editing a podcast for Monday. And then I just recorded another one, like I said, with Greg. I might get started on that. I might not. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Too many cups of that. Not enough of that. Too many of those. But we're here. Almost out of this thing, so... I'm going to try not to work tomorrow, but this is what your boy's Friday looks like. Just in the office going for it. So, yeah. Editing audio, too, is kind of a lot of work. I want my stuff to sound good. I think you guys appreciate that, and you take notice in that. So, yeah, I had no idea what I was doing 3 years ago, and now I have it pretty well figured out. So, there's a little snack. Get home, hopefully in an hour. And, yeah, and look at those steps. Pretty behind, man. Anyways, see y'all in a bit. Okay, that's what it looks like. Just past 6. And walking back to the truck. Not a crazy day, but yeah, I'm smoked, man. I haven't had a day off in I don't know how long. So tomorrow the plan is to not crack the laptop, not do anything Nock performance related. So I need it very, very badly. So yeah, did that pod, did some programming, scheduled a pod, also a bunch of other shit that is boring and you guys probably don't think is cool, but that's my job. So yeah, we're gonna head home, see what's for dinner, and I'll show you that. It's okay. Okay, closing it out. I'm home. Dinner is made for me by my lovely wife. What do we have here?
We got burgers, smash burgers,
Smash burgers with no buns
veggies.
and veggies. What is this, rice noodles with this?
No noodles. Broccoli.
Is that bacon on there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll check this out. Stop it. So yeah, I'll eat this, and then I always cap the night. I love cashews. I'm a big cashew guy. So Kirkland's finest fancy whole cashews. I'll eat 2 handfuls of those probably, and then we will call it, watch some flicks, do whatever. It's not pretty, man. That's just a regular day in the life. I didn't do anything out of the ordinary. I just did what I would normally do. And what else? Anything else? Anything else? First, like, day in the life vlog. And we'll leave it with this one. We'll leave it with this one. Yes. We'll check y'all out on the next one.